In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dall-E 3 in Chatgpt. This is an exciting feature that brings together the power of AI conversation and image generation, making it easier than ever to create stunning visuals directly within your chat interface. Let's dive right in and explore how this works. To start, you'll want to open Chatgpt. You can do this by heading over to the website or launching the application if you're using a desktop or mobile version. Once you have Chatgpt open, the very first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Having an account helps ensure that your chat history and preferences are saved, and it enables you to seamlessly access all the features, including Dall-E 3. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to create a new chat. This is where the magic happens, and you'll initiate your interactions with Chatgpt. Keeping your workspace organized can help, so starting fresh with your new chat makes the process straightforward. Now that you've got a clean slate, direct your attention to the message bar at the bottom of your Chatgpt interface. Here, you'll see a plus icon, which is your gateway to a range of options beyond just text input. Give it a click, and you'll open up the additional features available to you. Among the options, you should select the Create Image icon. This is where Dall-E 3 comes into play. Selecting this option empowers you to bring to life any image you can imagine, all powered by AI. Once you've activated the image creation feature, it's time to enter a detailed prompt that describes the image you want to create. Make sure to be as specific as possible. The more detail you provide, the more accurate and tailored your image will be. Whether you're visualizing a futuristic city, a serene forest, or a mythical creature, precision in your description is key. Feel free to unleash your imagination. After generating your image, take a moment to review it. Dall-E 3 is highly customizable, so if there are aspects of the image you'd like to tweak or perfect, take advantage of the refine options available. This might involve adjusting colors, styles, or other parameters to get the result just right. This flexibility ensures that your final image meets your exact vision. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, go ahead and click download to save the image to your device. This way, you'll have a permanent copy of the artwork you've created with a few simple steps in Chatgpt, ready to share or use as you see fit. And there you have it, your complete guide to using Dall-E 3 in Chatgpt. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, creating customized images has never been easier or more accessible. Thank you for joining me, and happy creating.